The past few months have been a wild one for the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. From Elon Musk's backing for Dogecoin's ascent, as well as the developments made in Web3 and the introduction of non-fungible tokens. But despite all of the hype around non-fungible tokens, the metaverse, decentralized banking, and blockchain games, new crypto millionaires have been emerging from all corners of the crypto world. And even more fascinating are the Bitcoin billionaires. So, who are the 5 richest Bitcoin billionaires in the world this year? Hello and welcome back to Crypto Cash Channel. Have you ever heard of Bitcoin billionaires? And who do you think they are? In today's video, we look at the top 5 richest Bitcoin billionaires in the world. But, first, before we go on, a sub to the channel would be very appreciated. Comment, share the video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up for the video. So, let's get into it. 5. Michael Saylor. Bitcoin has attracted a huge number of new and odd investors over the course of its existence. And on the other side, Michael Saylor, the chief executive officer of MicroStrategy, possesses a passion that very few people can equal. The corporation started making Bitcoin purchases in the amount of $250 million in August of the year 2020. The corporation indicated at the time that it was acquiring the cryptocurrency in order to make better use of its cash reserves. In recent years, Saylor has been a fervent supporter of Bitcoin. He has been a prominent guest on news programmers and at cryptocurrency conferences, where he has promoted the benefits and applications of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy had increased its Bitcoin holdings by taking advantage of price dips, and by December 2021 the firm had $3.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. As of December 2021, following the announcement that MicroStrategy had acquired Bitcoin, the price of the company's shares shot up by more than 337%. In the meantime, Forbes estimates that Saylor's bet on Bitcoin has increased his current net worth to $2.2 billion. MicroStrategy continues to keep the title of having the largest corporate Bitcoin holding. As of the 31st of March, its balance sheet totaled 129,218 Bitcoins. According to the information that Saylor has made public about his cryptocurrency holdings, on May 6, he owned 17,732 Bitcoins worth a total of $640.2 million. MicroStrategy was established by the MIT graduate in 1989, and in that time he has earned an extraordinary fortune. However, Forbes estimates that he has a net worth that is now less than $1 billion at this time. This is mainly due to the fact that the price of a share of MicroStrategy stock dropped to $165 and the price of Bitcoin dropped below $30,000. 4. Brian Armstrong. He is the creator of Coinbase, the largest Bitcoin exchange in North America. After leaving his position as a software developer for Airbnb, he established the exchange in 2012 as a co-founder. According to an article published by Forbes on January 20, 2022, Armstrong is estimated to have a net worth of $10.4 billion. He left his position at Airbnb in order to concentrate on developing the prototype for what would one day become the initial version of Coinbase. They were able to secure an incredible investment of $150,000 from Y Combinator, which is a company that invests in startups, with the assistance of Fred Ehrsam. Investors in cryptocurrencies can use Coinbase to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies on a single platform, making it simpler for them to manage their digital assets. The Coinbase mobile app is capable of dealing with all of the most widely used cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Coinbase gives its customers not just the opportunity to make routine transactions but also the capacity to manage their holdings. And because of its user-friendly design and a high degree of dependability, Coinbase is frequently seen as the entrance point for regular investors into the cryptocurrency market. This is due to the fact that Coinbase is one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. As the exchange works to develop its business, it has been hampered by the volatility of cryptocurrencies, which has led to multiple failures and setbacks, including the suspension of trades. A total of $41.736 billion was the market capitalization of the exchange when trading for the day came to a close on April 11, 2022. According to Armstrong's own words, the motivation behind the founding of Coinbase came from a desire to create a global open financial system that supported innovation and independence. 3. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. When it comes to their illustrious namesake, Tyler and Cameron have many accolades. If you've seen the film The Social Dilemma, you've probably heard about their disagreement with Mark Zuckerberg over the establishment of Facebook. And also, in 2008, they finished 6th in the men's pairs rowing competition at the Beijing Olympics. In addition, the Winklevoss twins are pioneers in the crypto industry and multi-billionaires thanks to Bitcoin. When the twins and Zuckerberg reached a settlement in 2008, they received a total of $65 million in Facebook stock and cash. They had accused Zuckerberg of stealing their concept and some of the code they had hired him to write. In 2012, the two co-founded a firm that invests in early-stage startups and entrepreneurs as angel investors. It has made around 100 investments and now has 20 crypto-related ventures in its portfolio. The Winklevoss brothers revealed in April 2013 that they owned around $11 million worth of Bitcoin through Winklevoss Capital. Their Bitcoin may have cost as low as $10 per coin. They were reported to hold 1% of all Bitcoins in circulation at the time. And after the late 2017 increase in Bitcoin values, they became the first millionaires in the crypto sector. Their combined fortune is estimated by Forbes to be $5 billion as of December 2021. The Winklevoss twins are also entrepreneurs who founded the Gemini Bitcoin exchange. According to data from November 2021, the exchange had a market value of $7.1 billion. Additionally, they control Nifty Gateway, a platform for the purchase and sale of NFT. 2. Sam Bankman-Fried. When it comes to becoming a crypto millionaire, Sam Bankman-Fried has risen quickly. His net worth was projected to be $26.5 billion by Forbes in October 2021, when he created FTX, one of the world's most prominent crypto exchanges. By offering a variety of unique items that are unavailable at other exchanges, FTX stands apart from the competitors. Complex futures, digital tokens of tangible shares, and pre-IPO contracts are all part of this mix of instruments. He's a 29-year-old vegan, a crypto millionaire who rose to cult fame after profiting from the kimchi market's high price point. He subsequently went on to build FTX, one of the world's largest and fastest-growing digital asset exchanges. Bankman-Fried, known as the Bentham of crypto, based his operational philosophy on Jeremy Bentham's ideas of effective altruism and utilitarianism. Bankman-Fried isn't trying to become the richest person in the cryptocurrency world, but to make the world a better place. He's going to do everything he can. In order to get it, he'll keep working hard for it. Californian by birth, he describes himself as an effective altruist and a person dedicated to making a significant difference in society through a wide range of social endeavors. 1. Changpeng Zhao, CZ. According to the Bloomberg Billionaire Index, Changpeng Zhao, the founder of Binance, which is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of transaction volume, had a net worth of $96 billion in January 2022. And still, they said that Zhao's value might be far greater, due to the fact that their estimate doesn't account for Zhao's personal crypto wealth, which includes ownership of Bitcoin and Binance Coin. In April of 2021, Forbes estimated that Zhao's Bitcoin wealth is in the range of $1.6 billion. During a game of poker with his buddies, Zhao, a Chinese immigrant who had settled in Canada at the age of 13, found out about Bitcoin. After that, he invested all he had in cryptocurrencies, going so far as to sell his apartment for Bitcoin in 2014. He then established Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange that was established in 2017 and is responsible for daily transactions that total billions of dollars. Despite the fact that Coinbase is more well-known in the United States, Binance has a larger customer base and offers additional currencies as well as derivatives. It's anticipated to have made sales of $20 billion in the year 2021. The rapid growth of the exchange has resulted in a weakened regulatory position for the organization. Because of the increased regulatory scrutiny in the important financial nations, it has been forced to conduct its business without a headquarters. According to Bloomberg, Zhao expressed his support for the concept of regulating cryptocurrencies. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. What do you think about our list? Is it by luck that they became Bitcoin billionaires? Also, if you are interested in more videos like this, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos. Goodbye. See you in the next video.